Welcome to How Much POS, where managing your business operations is streamlined and intuitive. From your dashboard, you can easily access vital functions like creating new orders, enhancing your daily workflow. Effortlessly navigate to our Good Received Notes section through the Options menu. This centralizes all your incoming inventory. Here you gain a comprehensive overview of all your received shipments, complete with order numbers, payment methods, and precise creation dates. This ensures impeccable record keeping. How Much POS empowers you with immediate actions for each entry. You can efficiently mark shipments as received or instantly download detailed PDF documentation, transforming your inventory management. This streamlines operations by eliminating manual tracking. View your Good Received Note in a clear, detailed PDF format. This ensures every item is accounted for. Our system lets you easily save and store these vital documents locally. This provides an organized, accessible archive for all your receiving records. Confirm receipt with a single click, instantly updating your inventory and providing real-time stock levels. How Much POS simplifies Good Received Note management, boosting business efficiency effortlessly.